Yo, what up guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, what's up? My name's Frank. In this video today, we're going to be visiting Yellowstone. We have a few spots that we really want to check out. We're going to check out the artist paint pots. We're going to be checking out the Yellowstone Grand Canyon, which has a beautiful waterfall. So definitely check that out while you're here. And we're going to be stopping at a couple more geysers, I think, along the way, just to kind of fill in all our time. I'm going to be up here in Yellowstone for the next 3 days, so I'm going to be releasing a video every day, 3 days in a row this week. Yellowstone day every single time. So be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of that, and I'll see you guys at Yellowstone. Well, we made it to like our first little stop of the trip. We are here at Terrace Spring. It's pretty cool looking. You see like the steam rolling off of it? That's really cool. I mean, it's like 10 degrees warmer too. You can really feel the warmth off of it. And right over here you can see it bubbling. That's so warm, it's cool.
Look at those flowers that grow around the edge.
Oh yeah.
I don't see them growing anywhere away from this way.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, that steam is warm.
I want to get in here and swim in it. We actually got a little pot right here too. Huh. That's really cool. Fragile thermal area. Got a little more right up here.
I don't see any names.
It's cool. Well, we're gonna go back to the car. We got a lot of ground to cover, a lot to explore. Sorry I'm not talking to you guys as much as I probably should be, but I just want to show you everything that I'm seeing. It's like a lot of stuff. Alright guys, we decided to stop here next to this river. Lunchtime. Got some turkey, some cheese on it, and a little pepperoni too. So turkey, cheese, and pepperoni sandwich for lunch. Pepperoni is going to be an interesting flavor mix up with the turkey, but I'm sure it'll be good. And as dessert, got some Dragon Ball Z fruit snacks. Heck yeah. If you guys can guess what this is, you're a real one. I'm eating Dragon Ball Z gummy snacks as a hint. We just made it to the brink of Lower Falls. This area of the Grand Canyon that we're in, it's called the Grand Canyon of Yellowstone. Pretty cool. Gonna be a lot of cool stuff up here. We kind of figured we'd do a lot of the other stuff in the next 2 days, like the real super popular stuff, because crowds right now are just insane. Steamy right now. Well guys, that was the Brink Falls up in the Grand Canyon of Yellowstone area. What an amazing, beautiful waterfall. It was a little bit of a hike to get back there. And that bear was just the cherry on top. That was so cool. But now we're leaving Yellowstone. It started raining, and I think it's gonna rain for like the next little while. But we're gonna go back to camp, cook up some dinner. I will be doing this for the 3 days, so today's day 1. Be sure to check tomorrow's video if you're interested in day 2. All right guys, I just got back to camp. That bear was so awesome to see, but I got some dinner to cook. Tonight, we're gonna just got some pretty simple dinners, honestly. Tonight, we're gonna be doing some hamburger helper, but not just any hamburger helper. We got a special flavor. I'll show you guys here in a little bit. It started raining on me, so had to bring everything inside the tent. Luckily, I didn't start cooking yet, so gonna get started cooking now. All right, here's our main dish for tonight. Some cheesy Italian shells, hamburger helper. Step 1 though, put in the burger. It's frozen burger, so it's a little bit hard to chop up right now. I am a little worried about bears though. They're cooking crazy close to where we're camping. Literally in the tent next to on our campsite. Kind of ballsy move of us, really. But I got bear spray, and hopefully the smell isn't too strong of a smell. It's really strong though. We honestly picked a really good time to leave Yellowstone. It felt a little early, but actually it was like perfect timing. We got here, and our whole tent we had set up was collapsed onto the ground. We didn't really plan for like any wind or anything. We kind of just like threw it up and left. Didn't really like. It was a stupid mistake, to be honest with you. The whole thing was just laying on the ground. It's muddy. It's wet. And
yeah, luckily we threw a log in here.
Yeah, we threw a log in here just to kind of anchor it, but we didn't set up anything else. We just put a log in here and rolled out. But we got it much more secure now. We got chairs in here. We got this. We didn't even put up tent stakes. We were being silly. But I think the food's done. Let's check it out. There we go, guys. Food is done. Nothing super luxurious, but it's tasty and it's pretty cheap. It's like probably $7 for this whole meal. All the cost is in the hamburger. Tastes okay. Tastes like a $7 meal. You know, I'm not gonna rave on about it. It ain't like the best thing I've ever had, but it'll fill my stomach. And it's nice and warm food on like a chilly, cold, rainy night. It'll be a good food to put me to bed. All right, guys, that was dinner. It's still kind of raining out here a little bit, but just wanted to say thank you guys so much for making it this far. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want to catch tomorrow's video. But for me, I'm just going to sit in the tent and kind of hang out with my brother. And pretty soon it's going to be dark, and then I'm going to be going to bed. So, see you guys tomorrow. Peace.